Alright, good day all. Today I'll just be explaining some basic trick on Excel. So I'm just going to create a new sheet. Okay, then I'm going to use this set of data. Okay, I just don't want to type this all over again. So let me quickly explain the Autosum feature. The Autosum feature to sum up everything from the cell from the beginning to the end. I just have to start with the equal sign. Then I just have to select everything down to the last item. Then I click on this. Sorry, there is an omission here. I have to have sum, brackets close, then this. So it automatically gives me the sum of all data in that range. Alright, the another thing I want to explain is using the checkbox or tick box option. So a student asked in the last class if we want to calculate how many times a student is present using the checkbox. How do we go about that? Okay, let's assume that I'm having my checkbox here. So I'll just come to this up button, select data validation, then I'll select checkbox. So okay, and then I click on save. So I already have checkbox here. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to drag this down to the level which I want my checkbox to get to. Then I'll hold and click this, click on Autofill so I can have that repeated. So I just have to copy this, and I'm going to paste it here. And I'm going to do the same pasting here. Okay, so I have 3 checkbox. So I want to write a condition to know when any of this is being marked to tell me how many times student is being present or how many times a student is absent. So to write that code, all I need to do is, okay, I'll be writing it here. Excuse me. I want to have this here, number of time present. So that's about that. So then I'm going to come, let me zoom down so you can see what I'm doing. So I'm going to come to the first line here. I'll press I'll type rather equals count if. Okay, sorry. So I want to count how many times this cell, how many options are actually available in this cell. Sorry, not here. That's not correct, please. There's an error here. So I'm just going to select this. So let me zoom up. Okay, so I'm just going to select these 3 cells. Yes, just these 3. So then I will say how many times this is true, and I'll close the brackets in this. Now if you look at this, okay, before I go on, when I mark this, it automatically change to 1 time. If I mark this, it says 2. If I mark this, it says 3. So it tells me how many times student is present. But if I mark any of these ones, I won't get any value. Why? Because I have not written the code for this other set. So what I'll just do is I'll click on this and drag it down to this level, press and hold, and click on the autofill function. So you can see, so anytime I mark any of them, it gives me the value of the time present, and you can see. So that's just how to use the count if statement in Microsoft Excel. Thank you very much. I hope this helps.